All right, I'm going to venture to say that's not a man-made structure either. And we're out there a ways. We're about a mile in now. I lost the path and I just kind of made my own path for a little bit. I mean, it's easy enough. You're not going to get lost out here, so. Let's continue on. I think I might have found some sort of path again. Yep. And I know, look, Crystal Lake's right to my right. The golf course is up there to my left. And I'm headed towards the old Route 140 that Mount Wachusett College is on, so. Yeah, we're back on the path. I was off it for a little while, but we're back. Go by the golf course and down by the lake. I think we'll pick the middle. Woo!